I wanted to give a year-end shout out. It's been a challenging year of COVID, and it seems we are about to face more challenges with it. But, I felt that regardless of that, I really wanted to talk a little bit about success we've had here at Eligeo. I'm forever grateful for the opportunity, to build and lead Eligeo through these times, but helping it succeed too. It's 15 years into this journey now. And, we've had enormous success over the last few years. Even prior to COVID, things were really starting to pick up for us. And it's a lot of key decisions we've made on the growth side of things and bringing in key people, becoming more strategic. It's just in the past couple of years, I'm even more proud of our team as a whole as we've navigated quite a challenging environment. But not even just for us, but our clients too. We've helped them navigate a lot of these digital challenges that they face every day, in particular during the pandemic that's forced millions of people to work from home. In this past year, in 2021, we've served over 500 clients, including 100 of them that are now on monthly retainers that we interact with on a regular basis. We have a portfolio of clients in our system now that it's in the thousands of users that rely on the products and services that Eligeo delivers every single day. This wouldn't be possible without a few important mentions that I'd like to do today. First up, the most important one is our clients. I want to say thank you for believing in us. Thank you for taking this journey with us. We have clients that have been with us since the beginning, and we continue to support and grow with them too. Without you and the commitment you have for your own businesses, none of this would be possible. Your success is our success. Our partners, Monday.com, Ophir, Drawer, Cat, and many others at Monday.com that support us day in and day out. Thank you. Thank you so much for your support, your leadership, and your passion. It helps fuel the engine at Eligeo as we continue to grow our business with you. We will always rise to the challenges. We continue to support each other. sugarcrm, Tom, Brian, Christian, and many others at sugarcrm. Thank you for the support you've given us this year. Next year, it's going to be 10 years for us as a sugar partner. I couldn't be prouder to be a partner. I've been using sugar since 2006 and other businesses prior to this too, and it is easily the most flexible CRM out there. RingCentral. I know we're just getting started, but thank you for bringing us on and partnering with us as we start looking at different ways and creative ways to bring your solutions to life with some of our clients across Monday.com and sugarcrm. And last, and new, even newer than RingCentral, is Salesforce. In 2022, we will be launching our Salesforce practice. I'm really excited to announce that our team's been training and getting certified and getting ready for the challenges ahead as we start delivering a whole new segment of CRM solutions to our customers. To our Eligeo team, Eligians, as the new term's been coined here, we now have 22 people, including contractors, working for Eligeo. And next year, we're going to be adding another 7. Our people are the driving engine of success for us. Our evolving leadership team, now comprised of 4 managers and myself, continues to grow. I can't thank our team enough for their commitment, dedication to what we're doing. And Brian Singh, although not a staff member, you are an Eligian though, Brian. Brian is one of our only shareholder now, along with myself, but he is, without a doubt, one of the most supportive people that I've ever met. COVID's kind of reduced the amount of time we've been able to spend together, but it's been good to be able to have a chance to catch up with you this year. But thank you for everything you've done over this journey. One couldn't ask for a better friend, mentor, or supporter. And speaking of mentors, my countless advisors and mentors I want to thank: Brian Malloy, Hamish Knox, Mike Burdick, Ian Hetherington, Scott Barry, John Newenberg, Heidi Hamilton, my entire McKay CEO Forum group. And there's many others I could list off here as well. but thank you all for your countless hours of support and advice. It helps me stay grounded and encourages me to be a better leader. As we reflect on the year, one of the things that we used to do in the past was gifts for our clients. Just like last year, we're also doing a donation again. Instead of gifts for our clients, we are doing donations to both the Red Cross. That's to be in support of those affected by the floods here in the lower mainland of British Columbia. And we're also doing a donation to the Boys and Girls Clubs, kind of keeping up with the theme of the different kid-related charities that we've worked with over the years. Thank you all to all of our clients and partners and Eligeans that help make this possible. As I look into the future, there's a lot to be excited about. 2022, while we still face the challenges of COVID, I'm excited to know that there's opportunity and there's going to be growth opportunity for our clients and for our staff to take things to the next level. We're doubling down on our success. We've revamped our mission. Our mission now is that we share our passion and love for digital technology with everyone. And this year, we're going to be focused really on helping business associations, construction businesses, and manufacturers take digital transformation to the next level. Stay tuned for announcements in Q1. The big one is equotes 2.0. For those of you that use equotes, we're launching the next big revamp and big version of equotes. Our flagship Monday.com product is about to get bigger, better, and incredibly feature-rich. A new template editor, digital signature, ERP accounting integration are coming. We're already using equotes internally. We're also introducing a 100% money-back guarantee on all of our initial assessment services. If you're not happy with that initial engagement with us, no problem. Full money back, no questions asked. We want to make sure that people have an opportunity to experience what the Eligeo experience is, because I feel very confidently that you're going to really enjoy working with our team. I'm that confident clients will enjoy working with us. So that's a wrap. Thanks again to our clients, to our partners, to Eligeans, and to everyone around the world. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. And I can't wait to have an opportunity to connect with you, at least in the short term over video, but hopefully in person at conferences around the world.